My dear students of class 5, you all are welcome to my today's class. I am Tarun Akhtar, assistant teacher, Pallavi Majidul Islam Model High School. Dear students, look at the picture. Do you know what is the picture about? The picture is about the logo of Olympic Games. Our today's lesson is about Olympic Games, and this is from Unit 17, Lesson 5 and 6. Let us know some information about Olympic Games. You see the pictures. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece in 776 BC, almost 3000 years ago. You see, this is the picture of the first opening ceremonies of Olympic Games. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 in Athens in Greece. Now the Olympic Games take place every 4 years. The motto of Olympic Games is faster, higher and stronger. Pierre de Coubertin, a very active sportsman, was the founder of modern Olympic Games. In the 19th century, Pierre de Coubertin gave the idea to hold the Olympic Games again. To show the link with the past, the Games were organized in Greece in the Panathenaic Stadium in Athens in 1896. Now you see, this is the logo of Olympic Games. And do you know what do the Olympic rings mean? Now I am telling you. The colors of the interlinked Olympic rings were chosen by the International Olympic Committee IOC to represent the union of the 5 continents: Australia, Africa, America, Asia and Europe, and further signify the meeting of the world's athletes at the Olympic Games. The plain white background of the Olympic flag is symbolic of peace throughout the Games. The 5 colors of the rings from left to right are blue, black and red across the top, with yellow and green along the bottom. These colors may be found on most flags of the world and officially hold no other particular significance, although some believe each color represents particular continent. Now you see, the awards of Olympic Games are silver, gold and bronze. Dear students, let us know the meaning of some words from today's text. The first word is ago, and it means in the past, and then almost, it means very nearly. Athlete. Athlete means a person who competes in sports. Biggest, largest in size, degree, amount, etc. Competition, an organized event in which people try to win. Completely, fully. Different, not the same. Modern, of the present time. Let us read out the text. You open page number 68 of your English for Today book. I am reading the text. You listen to me and read out after me. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games was held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896, and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Now you see, matching. Match column A with their meaning in column B from the table. You see the words in column A are competition, participate, occur, tradition, found. Now you see the words given in column B are to take part in activity, a belief, custom or way of doing something, to establish something, an event in which people compete each other, and the last one is to happen. Now you see the answer of this matching at the bottom. Now you see there will be some questions here. You see the first question, how often are the Olympics held? The answer will be like this. The Olympics are often held every 4 years in different countries. Question number 2 is, how many countries compete in the Olympics? The answer will be more than 200 countries compete in the Olympics. Question number 3, how many athletes compete in the Olympics? The answer will be about 13,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. Now question number 4, how many sports are there in the Olympics? The answer will be there are more than 30 sports in the Olympics. Question number 5, when was the first Olympics? And the answer will be the first Olympic Games were held in Greece about 3000 years ago. Question number 6, when did the modern Olympic game begin? The answer will be the modern Olympic Games began in 1986. Now you see true or false. The first one, the Olympics are held in same host city. The answer will be false. Then question number 2, the Olympics are held every 4 years. The answer will be 2. Question number 3, the first Olympic game was held in France. The answer will be false. Question number 4, the modern Olympic Games started in 1985. The answer will be false. So this is all about true or false. You will practice this without seeing the answer. Now dear students, you have to do rearrange. Okay? You see the first rearrange. A, pour the laugh dew at not. Then B, mangoes my bought some further ripe. Then C, later is writing he A. Then D, birthday when your is. Then E, Bithi's Lila friend is. Now you see the answer of the rearranges. Answer A will be do not laugh at the poor. B will be my father bought some ripe mangoes. C will be he is writing a letter. D will be when is your birthday? You see a question mark is given here because this rearrange is a question. Then E will be Laila is Bithi's friend. Now 5 number. Race but slow, the wind steady. G, visit next London I will hear. H, Your what is name the village of? I. Village how people many in live here. J. Life water essential is for. Now you see the answer of these rearranges. Answer number F will be slow but steady wins the race. G will be I will visit London next year. H will be what is the name of your village? I will be how many people live in your village? J will be water is essential for life. You will practice these without seeing the answer. These rearranges are given from your model question 20 and 21. Now take your homework. Write a short composition on Olympic Games. Write at least 5 sentences. You have to write composition on Olympic Games using 5 sentences. Okay, so this is all about my today's class. Thank you all for joining my class. Allah Hafiz.